Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best camera stabilizers in 2018. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the official ROXANT Pro Video Camera Stabilizer. This is one of the most preferred camera stabilizers on the market. But wait, it's not just about the preference, it's also one of the highest rated cameras in 2018. Do you know why? It's because it comes with amazing features that every cameraman looks for. Featuring a shake-free design, this fantastic camera stabilizer is made to provide the pro-style stabilization with less motion and shake when compared to other camera stabilizers. Besides, the super solid construction means that you can use the stabilizer for years. Featuring unsurpassed compatibility, ROXANT Video Camera Stabilizer is ideal for point-and-shoot video cameras, GoPros, smartphones, DSLRs and any other camera weighing less than 2.1 pounds. The comfortable grip delivers long-term comfort while the smooth motion shots it delivers makes it a highly preferred stabilizer by the indie filmmakers. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the iGadgitz PT310 Camera Stabilizer. Taking the third place on the list, this camera stabilizer possesses unique features that make it better than the already reviewed 7 camera stabilizers. Coming with a rubber texture feet, this outstanding camera stabilizer delivers stable positioning to ensure that you shoot still and take smooth videos. The head comes with a ball and socket joint that allows for 360-degree adjustability, hence the videographer can freely shoot in the direction of choice. For perfect alignment of your images, the stabilizer comes with a built-in spirit level, featuring a compact and a lightweight design. This camera stabilizer is ideal for taking videos and photos when on a long journey. At number 3, we have the Immorden Carbon Fiber S60C Video Handheld Camera Stabilizer. Coming from one of the well-reputed manufacturers, this camera stabilizer is made to comfortably hold a weight ranging between 2-6 lbs. That is the weight of the camera lens any other accessory. Featuring an adjustable height, you can modify the height to a range of 15 inches 23 inches depending on your preference. Besides, the height can also be adjusted depending on the type of camera. It can be used with cameras that have different heights. The great versatility means that it is not only perfect for the cameras but also for smartphones. The Immorden handle has been designed with photographers in mind to suit their specific needs for increased user comfort. If you're looking for the perfect camera stabilizer to help you take those perfect shots effortlessly, this is definitely the best choice for you. At number 2, we have the Neewer DSLR Movie Video Making Rig Set System Kit for Camcorder or DSLR camera. This camera stabilizer has been made to provide maximum satisfaction to the videographers. Not only that, it is made to offer such satisfaction at a low cost. They can now enjoy smooth videos and steady photos when still keeping some change in their pockets. The camera stabilizers come with adjustable and side flags that help to eliminate the unwanted light in the image. The durable rail rod not only holds the camera firmly but also allows for mounting of tripod for improved stability. For steadiest photos, it comes with a comfortable shoulder mount that aids stabilization when still alleviating the pressure on the user's shoulder. Having an adjustable height offers added convenience and ensures that you have nothing to worry about as far as taking perfect shots is concerned. And finally at number 1, we have the Neewer Aluminium Alloy Foldable DSLR Rig Movie Kit. Just like its earlier sibling, this is yet another high-quality camera stabilizer which is not only designed to improve the quality of the photos and videos but also to make shooting easier for the cameraman. Being an easy-to-use camera, it is a perfect gift for both the pros and those starting their photo shooting career. Having been made with versatility in mind, it features a variety of interfaces to allow the user to connect other accessories such as LCD monitor screens, supporting frame, video light, etc. Depending on the user's preference, one can choose to lift the stabilizer up when using or put it on shoulders as it allows for shoulder mounting. The lightweight and compact design make it highly portable. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this camera stabilizers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.